On to the big policy story of the day. Arun Jaitley is meeting his state counterparts in New Delhi today to try and get them on board for the GST bill, even as his party colleagues try and build a consensus in Parliament to pass the landmark legislation. Right on the agenda today at the State FM's panel is narrowing in the revenue neutral rate, amongst other things. But CNBC TV 18 learns that it won't be all smooth sailing for the centre, with some states demanding complete control over businesses with a turnover of less than 1.5 crore rupees. Sapna Das, who broke that story, joins in now with details. Sapna, Arun Jaitley is definitely has his hands full. What is the strategy looking like now?
Well, the agenda before the State Finance Minister's meeting, which is ongoing right now at Vigyan Bhavan here in Delhi, in the capital, the agenda is quite wide in the sense that, there will be a detailed discussion on the R&R rates under GST. There will also be a detailed discussion on the dual control aspect, which you have rightly flagged off. We are also expecting probably the CA, Dr. Arvind Subramaniam, to come in on the R&R discussion. Probably even the NIPFP officials are over here as part of the meeting to talk about the rates. And on the issue of dual control, well, this might be a new thorn in this entire negotiation on GST, because apparently the states, and 21 of them, are now saying that the dual control aspect should now be included in the constitutional amendment bill. That's a big demand that they are making. And yes, per se, they are saying that there should not be any dual control up to 1.5. There should not be any dual control up to 1.5 crores, which obviously the centre is not very comfortable. The centre is saying there should not be any threshold at all on that aspect. Apart from this, what would be equally important would also be a possible discussion on the constitutional amendment bill for GST. And here there are a couple of points the centre might like to present. Basically, they are amenable to doing away with the 1% manufacturing tax. Also on the issue of capping of rates at 18%. Well, not in the constitutional bill, but the centre is trying to convince the opposition that the GST Act will be the right model for that, the right format for that. Yeah. The third aspect, the centre probably is also open on a dispute resolution mechanism, which will be a very big thing. And last but not the least, no change in the voting pattern. Centre will retain its veto. So let's wait and watch and see how the finance minister handles the meeting. Probably we'll have something more concrete towards the end of the day.
Yeah,